Hello friends, now let's solve next memory based question from General Aptitude Mechanical paper, afternoon paper. It is again a vocabulary question. It is like the dress dash her that they all dash her for appearance. So what is the catch here? They are checking whether your spelling knowledge is correct or not. So it should be the dress complemented. So it should be LE, her that they all complimented. So the dress complimented her that they all complimented her. So in the first one it will be PLE. In the second fill in the blanks it will be PLI. So complimented means to fulfill, okay, to add, and complimented means किसी की तारीफ करना. Okay, so in case if you have any doubt in this particular question, please reach out to us. Thank you.